Hi, what's your favorite type of cuisine?
Hey there. I really like Indian food, especially biryani. How about you?
Indian is delicious. I prefer Mexican cuisine. Tacos and guacamole are my go-to.
Mexican food is great too. Do you like it spicy?
I do enjoy a bit of spicy, but not too much. How about you? Do you like your Indian dishes spicy?
Not really, I prefer milder flavors. But I love a good tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce can make or break an Indian dish. Speaking of which, have you ever tried making pizza from scratch?
I haven't, but it sounds like fun. Do you make your own tacos at home?
Absolutely. I love experimenting with different feelings and salsas. It's a fun way to customize each taco.
That does sound fun. Maybe I should try making at home sometime. Any tips?
Sure. Start with a simple dough recipe and use fresh ingredients. Don't forget a flavorful sauce and your favorite toppings.
Thanks for the advice. I'll give it a shot. By the way, do you have a favorite dessert?
Oh, I have a sweet tooth. I can never resist a good chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake is a classic choice. I'm more of a cheesecake person myself.
Cheesecake is divine. What's your favorite flavor?
I adore strawberry cheesecake. The combination of creamy cheese and sweet berries is irresistible.
That sounds heavenly. We should definitely share dessert next time we go out to eat.
I'm all for it. Let's plan a food adventure soon.